Okay. Show me what you got.
Yes. All right, places, everyone.
I was in the background with it fading out of view. She was on the front line, shining a star of the room. I want to get closer, but there's nothing I can do. What a shame. Yeah. Headed for the exit, guess it's time to hit the road. I wish she was with me, cause I just never know. I pulled the car up, thinking pedal to the floor. About to take off, she opens up the door. She said, let's get going, we got time. I can see that look inside her eyes. Yeah, and to my surprise, it was all green lights. Life's a crazy ride, to get in the car and drive. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Listen. She said, let's get going. We got time. We got time. I can see that look inside her eyes. Hey. And to my surprise, it was all green lights. Life's a crazy ride, and you just can't think twice. So get in the car and